Director of Manipur State Health Mission, Dr. Somorjit Ningombam, stated that the mission aims to deworm 9,25,000 children of Manipur. Dr. Somorjit Ningombam made this statement during the state national level deworming day observed today at Malo Megha High School in Imphal West, organized by Child Health Division, National Health Mission and Directorate of Health Services Manipur. He emphasized the need of further consultation with doctor if a child is found to have worms after ingesting the medication, stating that a tablet could only cure worm but not the eggs. Stressing on the symptoms of worms in children, Dr. Somorjit further urged all parents to ensure that their children receive deworming tablets to stay healthy without any diseases.
One tablet, see all over the world, PJ, and a masigi sit, Tawira Matunda, Amuk, after 6 months. Tawudabu, Angang Ama, Mahiksi Yao, the Tarabadi, please consult your nearest doctor. Anapa Health Center of the Chalaga, I Nan, Deworming Savada, Mahisi Tarei, and a high rabadi, a concerned doctor, Dunangi Maka treatment, Karigumba, Tariba Mahito di Sigre, Marum Yoram Madito, Marum Dunamumapi Olaga, with the worm infestation labor. National Deworming campaign, the single dose, the Wudabu, Noina Mahito Tolapatara, the second dose Chaba Kesukai, two Canada, Nasagi Mais, the Loinama Canatong. I must say, hijack guest.